What type of accident is considered a car accident according to the relevant law? The factors based on which compensation can be obtained in the event of serious or non-serious injuries resulting from a car accident are varied, such as the insurance company must compensate the victim through the mandatory insurance of the vehicle in which they were traveling, or if the victim was a pedestrian, then the insurance of the vehicle that hit the pedestrian. Each case is different, but we are dealing with a very modern and liberal compensation law. There is no maximum amount as compensation or any ceiling. Whatever the sum of compensation, it will be paid by the insurance company. There is the possibility of filing a compensation claim even if the driver who caused the accident was not insured, or even if he was drunk. Each case must be analyzed by a traffic accident specialist. Our office has more than 60 years of experience in the field. Between injury and permanent disability, many accidents cause injuries that can drastically affect the lives of those involved in accidents. Limitations in daily functioning, even in trivial tasks, inability to continue working, decreased quality and standard of living, and other diverse consequences, especially those with long-term influence, are the basis for calculating the degree of disability. How to calculate compensation for a traffic accident? We are not dealing with moral damages, which, as you know, do not really exist in Israel, but rather compensation for injuries or bodily harm, including emotional or mental ones. The amount you may receive as compensation will depend mainly, but not only, on the following set of factors: the age of the victim, duration of hospitalization, if any, the severity of the injury, the degree of sequelae, a condition that is the consequence of the injury, your proven income before the accident. Please note that this is only a partial list of sources from which compensation may be calculated. Financial expenses of various types. Accident victims may experience a substantial increase in their expenses. Below are some examples, partial list. Special expenses to assist with mobility. Medical treatments not covered by the health plan rarely happens. Psychological treatment. Hired help from third parties, caregivers. Unspecified additional expenses. These expenses will not always be fully covered, but they will certainly be part of the parameters used to arrive at a final compensation sum. What are the first steps you should take after an injury? This subject will be addressed in the next article to be published soon. Summary. In the event of an accident, seek professional help before reporting it to the police, and when necessary, the lawyer can arrive in person at the hospital for the first steps and guidance. Sheinbaum Law Firm, your legal peace of mind in Israel.